To make changes to the outside of a folder, first locate the folder you want to make changes to. Click the action link to the right of it and select Edit. Change the name to a preferred naming scheme if desired. In the text box, type a brief summary of what this week will cover. Scroll to Standard Options and select Yes to permit users to view this content, to allow your students to access this folder. Leave the option on Yes to continue tracking this folder. Select the date and time restrictions to your specifications. Click Submit to save your changes.